Hey, is your Facebook ad account getting restricted or getting banned or getting disabled again and again? And if you're frustrated because of your Facebook ad account got restricted and got disabled, here I have a solution. By following these ways, you can avoid Facebook ad restrictions and ban and disable issues, and also you can stay safe from Facebook ad account got banned issues. So without a delay, let's start this session. The first thing is, after update of iOS, Facebook is making restrictions for all the beginners who is starting. Now, why they're doing is because to get their verification done. If you're frustrated that even without starting ad, your ad account getting banned, it's a common issue. You should never get panic about these issues. So it will be get sorted only if you don't fear about tagging to them. The second thing you need to understand is Facebook team have humans, not machines. They are so human like us, and if you go with a way like, no, I have not done anything, and why my Facebook ad account got restricted. If you go rude, they're not going to reply. Even they're going to reply, but that's not a good way of approaching the people. You should always have the empathy within you, and you should always request to them that, no, I am done this mistake, I am not aware of these issues, so I will go through it once. Please allow me to run ads. If your request like that, then definitely they're going to revert back you and they're going to retrieve your ad account. So please keep this thought in mind, that you should always approach to Facebook ads team in simple manner. You should always have that empathy within you. You should always request. You're not going to give order for them. I hope you got it. The next thing is, you should always read Facebook ad policies once in a month, because Facebook is getting updated every single month, and they're bringing more policies and they're adding new procedures. You should always aware of the new procedures, and you should always have the basics in your head. If you not have the basics in your head, you're going to face this issue again. And next thing is, you should follow the procedure of making your domain verified and having the two-step verification as a basic step. And you should always, when you are setting up a conversion event, when you're setting up a conversion campaign, you should always build that conversion events, and then you should make sure you're going to prioritize your events with aggregated event measurement. And the next thing is, you should always keep an eye with your payment methods. You should have a balance in your debit card, credit card, or if you're applying manually, so if you're filling the amount manually, you should always have the balance. If you run any ad without a balance, and there might be a chances of getting a restriction because of that. And one of the most common thing you need to aware of is that most people don't go through the errors, and by losing their patience, they're going to create new ad account, and they will going to kept getting banned again. You should always have a patience, dude. You should read the errors 1 to 2 times or 3 times. You should search in a Google about the error. If you search it in a Google, you're going to get about the issues what you made, and you can correct within the minutes. You can correct within talking to their support portal. So if you follow these ways, I'm damn sure that you're going to stay avoid from your Facebook ad account getting issues. and you can avoid all these things, and you can smoothly run your ads, and you can get more conversions. So that's a simple thing. You should follow the rules, and you should request in a simple manner, and you should always have the request mindset, and you should have the patience, and you should read the errors. It's not like a rocket science that they have done something. If you go through an error, you're going to get the issue and you're going to get a solution right away. So if you approach them with like, I've done this mistake here, they're going to approve you, and they're going to retrieve your ad account. And these are the ways, simple ways, and following the policies. I hope everything I got covered, whatever the things I do to get my ad account back. So that's it for this video. I hope you got so more value and more procedures to get back your ad account. And thank you for watching.